Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Zoya Elisa and Sista Chic Lacquer. I want to platinum mine. I'm going to stamp with it. Here is Zoya Elisa. Love that red with that gold copper shimmer in it. Oh my. Beautiful, beautiful Christmas polish. And I didn't start out intending for this to be a Christmas manicure. This was one of the polishes I had in with my fall picks. I picked it because it was that fiery red with, just looked gorgeous. So there we go. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I don't know if I did one or two coats. If I did, I missed the second coat filming. I don't know what happened to that. But my nails are super duper short on this hand now, so I could have gotten away with one. There's a swatch photo of it on its own. Here is Beauty Big Bang XL093 and Sista Chic Lacquer. I want to platinum mine. This is such a good polish for stamping. I was really excited to play with this one today. So I am using the Christmas bow on these little bitty short nails. I wanted to find something that was going to work really nice, and I think this did it. So there we go. Very pretty. And I wanted to show that having super short nails, you can still dress them up. You can still do some nail art on them. So I'm cleaning that plate with some acetone, and the stamper got cleaned on a lint roller. Here we go. Gonna go in with that bow. I'm gonna do that image on all of my nails except for my ring fingernail. That one's gonna get just a different image. Give it a little bit of a, accent nail. But I love how this is stamping. I love that it's not, like a bright white silver. It's more of a, I don't know how to describe it. More of a patinaed silver. It's got some antique look to it. I'm really excited to use it some more. So this is going to be the image on my ring nail. It's the little reindeer and the stars, or snow. I guess it depends on how you're looking at it. There goes that little mat out of my way. It went another great trick to using those little mats. So there we have it. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up this excess, cleaning it very nicely with the tape. Beautiful, beautiful. So there it is. I am going to be using Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat over this one today. Look how gorgeous. I know it's been a hot minute since I said that. I've been working on it. And then I'm going to use Pure Ice Girl on the Run as my final top coat. I have found her again in my stash and I am loving her, so I'm using it. Very, very nice. Dries really quick and it's just a really good top coat. So there is my mani in motion. So I do have a swatch photo coming up. I would love to hear what you think about my manicure. So leave me a comment down below and let me know, so I know, what you think. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.